Hey Team Cuisine, I'm only showing my hands again tonight because I've been lounging around all day. But as you can see, it's turkey wings. I asked everyone today, what should I cook? Turkey wings or ribs? A lot of people said turkey wings, so I went with wings. So they already been cleaned. So I'm just going to go ahead and season them. For all newbies, yes, I wash my hands before, after, and between. I'm constantly washing my hands. But I do cook with my hands a lot as well. So this is just a little bit of olive oil, roasted garlic, olive oil. That's on them. Get that good old olive oil on it. Tonight is the Grammys. I don't know how many of you guys are watching the Grammys, but I sure am tonight. Y'all know this is one of my faves, which is adobo. Not too sure if that's the right way that I say that. I say that all the time. I know my friend Kima that's in a group that's going to watch this video and talk about my Baltimore accent, even though I've been living in Virginia Beach since 2002. But I guess I've been living there all my life, Baltimore, so I can't get rid of my accent. Anyway, this is Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning. Now, I'm not perfect, guys, but I am trying a little bit on my seasonings and pressure. This is just some onion powder. And I'm so upset because all of my Old Bay is almost gone. So I'm going to go to BJ's tomorrow and just get me a big thing of it. I'm not playing around. I'm just going to get me a big thing of Old Bay. It's all gone. I'm just going to set that over there because that goes in the trash. I will be wiping off of my seasonings when I'm done. Yes, these are parsley flakes. Bless you to my camera girl that's taping for me. Y'all can sit there and watch that for a minute because I'm going to get another seasoning that I forgot. Those turkey wings are going to be so good. I'm so excited. And I'm going to put a little paprika on it. Let's just mix this all up with our hands. I cannot wait to see how these turned out. Our group member Deborah Davis, which is actually was Madison's very first daycare provider when she was a baby. I remember when I first dropped Madison off to her, I cried so bad. Oh my goodness, I cried. Oh, it was so hard for me. Even though Madison is not my only, she's my second child. My children are 14 years apart, but I still cried so bad when I dropped her off at daycare. So I'm just going to wash my hands. Again. So they looking good. So I'm going to get my air fryer basket. Now, I don't have a spacer yet because I'm a procrastinator, so I haven't ordered one. I have to make sure I get the right one. So I'm going to set as many in here as I can. And they don't take long to cook, which is a good thing. So we're going to go ahead. As I always say, y'all, what I say, as Tim Gunn say, we're going to make it work. I love Project Runway. I love TV. So they fit in there nice. So let's come on over here to my air fryer. My baby, my other baby in the house. So tonight I'm going to put these, after doing some research, I'm going to do these on 375. And I'm going to do, let's say, 25 minutes flipping halfway. And as you can see, the light isn't on because I haven't plugged it up. I unplug everything. All right, let's see what they turn out, how they turn out. My cabbage has been cut, so I'm just gonna fry me up some cabbage. This is just some hot grease. Wow, guys, look at those turkey wings. This is $3.75 for 25 minutes. I did flip them halfway. Oh my goodness, they looking so good, nice and golden. Oh, I know these are going to be nice and juicy. This is not the finished product for me because I'm going to do a little extra with my turkey wings because of what we're eating for dinner tonight. But look at these turkey wings, guys. $3.75, 25 minutes. Oh, Lord. They looking good. They looking good. Hey, guys. Look at my turkey wings. Turkey wings are looking good. So now I'm going to add something extra to it because of what we're eating for dinner. And Madison loves this, and so does my girlfriend. So this is just some cream of mushroom soup straight out of the can, and I'm going to pour these over top of the turkey wings, and I'm going to put them in the oven for about 5 minutes just so the cream of mushroom soup will get all over them. Don't those turkey wings look good?